In our latest work, we have the next generation water harvester. This can work out in the desert where there is no supply of energy aside from sunlight.
What it does is that it collects water from the atmosphere at very dry conditions and then releases it so we can harvest it as a liquid water by using only energy of sunlight. The key component of this device is this powder. We call it meta-organic framework. It is composed of organic molecules and metals. We'll leave it overnight because during the night we have a lot of water content in the atmosphere, so this water molecules gets inside the framework and stay there. You can imagine it's like a sponge.
We're going to put the lid on the top of the box to make sure none of the water vapors coming out from the powder can escape from the box. We put the shade on top of the lid to direct the sunlight right on top of the moth to heat them up.
When this powder heats up, the water molecules come out of the framework and we can collect them as a liquid water.
We can get about 1/3 of a cup of fresh and drinkable water. And it's always possible to get more water using more amount of moth powder or bigger box.
We were trying to come up with the material with our meta-organic framework, which won't leave any traces of organic or inorganic material behind. After we collect water at the bottom of the device, it's absolutely clean. It's 100% pure and you can drink it right away. Cheers.
Our studies in the desert uncovered many different things concerning the box, the configuration of the box, the size of the box, the way the moth is placed in the box that affect how much water is harvested. This new Berkeley device is reconfigured as to be suitable for the desert anywhere in the world. Almost 1/3 of the world is water stressed. To be able to deliver liquid water is quite powerful. We are already working on the next generation moth material. This is an aluminum-based moths that will be cheaper and more economical to scale up than the one we've already reported. So this is a tremendous boost to commercialization of our water harvester.